HVAC unit in the big open area here. It's 220. We need a 220 outlet for this pump, 20 amp. Same thing over here. We have 208, 230, 15 amp. So we got to run a line over here from this. I believe that this here is the lines. We have the second HVAC unit. It's actually labeled third one here. This is the back storage area. Same thing, 220 line over here, 15 amps. So we're running a 20 amp circuit over here. And we also need the plug for it. We have this line here, so we got to double check where this comes from and confirm that we can use that with the shut off and everything, and then wire this unit. So in the first room off this garage here, we got to get all the raised plates, everything spliced through, everything grounded and ready for outlets. This is a 2-gang box here we got to put. So let's get that in. Up there is for a neon light. We're probably just going to put a 1900 box for now, and then we'll figure out what we have to do later. Coming in here, that is an emergency light that we need to put up. These two wires have to end up in this over here. So we're going to put it through the soffit, probably drop it down, notch the wall, and get it into over here. Then they can patch it up for us. We have to put all these lights in. So we need 8 lights on this side, 4-foot LEDs, and then 2, 4, 6 over here we need. So 14 total. Coming back here, we have the pipe run up. We need to get the wire through it and then do the splice over there. This unit, we need a 220 line going back to the panel, which is right behind here. We need an outlet for this pump, and you need to wire this with a disconnect switch to turn this on and off. Coming over here, we need to do the splice up there, get wires down that piece of EMT, and then come across to get wires in here, ground everything. We need to put a 1900 box at the top of this box here. I mean, at the top of these pipes for this box. And we can do a splice up there. Coming in here, we got to bring that wire in to this panel, and this is where you're going to get the wire for next door for the HVAC here. Coming in here, we have to confirm that this comes from the restaurant panel here. We need a 220 outlet for this thing, which is for the pump here. And then we need 220 for the unit itself with a disconnect switch. We have to confirm with the owner about this light switch. This door is now closed off, so we want to find out what door he's going to be using. We'll probably have 2 light switch down there and then a light switch down there for access to the storage room.